Good morning, Indian Creek Explorers. I am the WOM 7000. Today is Tuesday, April 8, 2014. To honor America, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge of allegiance to the flag Please join us for the daily moment of silence. Today's delicious lunch is personal pan pizza, chicken pot pie with biscuit, corn, and baby carrots. You may be wondering why I have taken over. It is because this week is National Robotics Week, so I will be here all week. This week's word of the week is robot. A robot is a computer-controlled machine designed to perform a specific manual task. Now to Mr. Nelson.
Well, this is Mr. Nelson, although it looks like a blank piece of paper. Today, I promised that we would start every Tuesday doing drawing lessons. So if you are ready, and if you're not, that's okay. You can go ahead and try this again. Well, this will be on YouTube for you to watch. But we're going to start off with some simple drawing lessons because we all know that a good scientist can make decent observations. So we're going to go ahead and teach you how to make a good observation. Now, some of you have already gone through this, and if you have, all you need to do is add more special details. So I'm going to start off with my blank piece of paper, and as you can see, here's my hand. Woo! There's my hand. It's wiggling around. And I'm going to start by making 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and what's funny is I'm watching it on the screen. 4. Now what I'm going to create is I'm going to create something called a foreshortened. Let's see if I'll move my paper so you can see it. A foreshortened square. So a foreshortened square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my dots, and I'm going to make a square that looks like it's been sat on or squished. Squish, squish. So what I've done is I've taken my square and I've squished it a little bit. This is going to add and make it look like it's 3-dimensional, which is kind of cool. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down, and this line is going to be, well, it's going to be straight. The next line is going to be straight also, and it's also going to be parallel to these 2 lines. So we've got 2 parallel lines going, and then we've got another parallel line, so we've got 3 parallel lines coming down. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a parallel line, or as close to a parallel line, to this line here. So see, we're doing parallel lines, which is one of those great geometry things that you should all be working on. And now I have a box. Congratulations, we've now drawn a box. So to start off again, I'll go ahead and move my paper out of the way. Let's see, I'll move my paper so that we can do this one more time. So you have a chance. 4 dots. Okay. We put them across. These are if we were to draw a line here and a line here, they would be perpendicular. The lines would be perpendicular. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to connect these lines like this. We're going to draw 3 parallel lines. This one is actually about the same length as the others. It just looks longer because we're starting at a dot that's a little lower down. And then we're going to connect them, and we now have a box. So, something simple for us to start with, but think about what other things you could add to it. You could add a hole in your box. You could add lines going across your box. You could add someone standing on your box. You could add someone with crazy hair standing on your box. You could add all these different things to your box just by adding a few more details. And now I guess we're going to go back to the good old WOM 7000.
Today they say it will be partly sunny. The high will be 57 degrees and our low will be 33 degrees. Right now it is 39 degrees. There will be a 40% chance of rain. That's it for the morning news. Remember, we're geared up for success. ANPD, absolutely no put downs. See ya.